A refreshing start to your day can be as simple as a glass of lemon water. The rise of lemon water as a popular beverage is undeniable. Lemon water, a simple concoction of fresh lemon juice and water, has become increasingly popular as a healthy morning ritual. This trend is not just a passing fad, but a lifestyle choice for many. People are drawn to its refreshing taste and potential health benefits. The tangy flavor combined with the coolness of water makes it a delightful drink. While not a magical cure-all, incorporating lemon water into your daily routine can offer a range of advantages. It's a simple habit that can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. From boosting hydration to providing a dose of vitamin C, lemon water can be a positive addition to a healthy lifestyle. It helps in keeping you hydrated, which is essential for your body's functions. It's important to understand these benefits and separate fact from fiction. Not all claims about lemon water are backed by science, so it's crucial to know what's true. Let's delve into the surprising advantages of this simple yet powerful drink. From aiding digestion to potentially improving skin health, lemon water has a lot to offer. This essay will explore the potential health benefits of lemon water, providing you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your wellness journey. Stay tuned as we uncover the truths and debunk the myths surrounding this popular beverage. Quench your thirst with a twist of lemon. Discover the power of hydration with lemon water, a simple yet effective way to enhance your daily water intake. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, and lemon water can be a flavorful way to increase your daily fluid intake. Whether you're at the gym, in the park, or simply at home, lemon water can be a refreshing companion. Water is essential for numerous bodily functions, including regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and flushing out waste products. It helps keep our skin healthy, supports digestion, and even aids in maintaining a balanced mood. Many people find plain water boring and struggle to drink enough throughout the day. Adding a squeeze of lemon can make it more appealing, encouraging you to drink more throughout the day. The zesty flavor not only enhances the taste, but also provides a burst of vitamin C. The refreshing taste of lemon water can be particularly enticing during hot weather or after physical activity when your body needs fluids the most. It can help you cool down and rehydrate efficiently. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. These symptoms can affect your daily performance and overall well-being. By making lemon water a regular part of your routine, you can help your body stay properly hydrated and function at its best. It's a simple habit that can have a significant impact on your health, making it easier to meet your hydration goals and enjoy the benefits of staying well hydrated. A vitamin C boost immunity and antioxidant support. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy immune system. Antioxidants help protect your body from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Vitamin C also contributes to the production of collagen, a protein that supports skin health, wound healing, and tissue repair. While lemon water alone won't meet your daily vitamin C requirements, it can contribute to your overall intake. Adding a squeeze of lemon to your water is a simple way to enhance its flavor and potentially boost your vitamin C intake, supporting your immune system and overall health. Weight management. Can lemon water aid your journey? Lemon water is often touted as a weight loss aid, but its effects are likely indirect and should not be considered a primary weight loss solution. Some proponents believe that the citric acid in lemons can boost metabolism and promote fat burning, but scientific evidence to support these claims is limited. However, lemon water can support weight management by promoting hydration and potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Drinking water before meals can increase feelings of fullness, potentially leading to consuming fewer calories during meals. Additionally, choosing lemon water over sugary beverages like soda and juice can significantly reduce your sugar and calorie intake, contributing to a healthier weight over time. Section 5. Radiant skin. The potential benefits of lemon water. Lemon water may indirectly contribute to healthier skin due to its vitamin C content and hydrating properties. This refreshing beverage is not only a great way to start your day, but also a simple addition to your routine that can have lasting effects on your skin's appearance. Vitamin C, as mentioned earlier, is crucial for collagen production. Collagen is a vital protein that provides structure to your skin, hair, and nails. By supporting collagen synthesis, Vitamin C helps maintain the skin's youthful appearance. Collagen is a protein that helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. As we age, our body's natural collagen production decreases, making it even more important to support it through our diet. Proper hydration is also essential for skin health. Hydrated skin looks plumper, more vibrant, and less prone to dryness and irritation. When you're dehydrated, your skin can appear dull and dry. This can lead to an uneven skin tone and make fine lines more noticeable. Drinking plenty of fluids, including lemon water, can help keep your skin hydrated from the inside out, promoting a more radiant complexion. The combination of hydration and vitamin C can give your skin a natural glow. However, it's important to note that applying lemon juice directly to the skin can be irritating and increase sensitivity to sunlight. The acidity of lemon juice can disrupt the skin's natural barrier, leading to redness and discomfort. It's best to enjoy the potential skin benefits of lemon water by consuming it, not using it as a topical treatment. Drinking lemon water regularly can be a gentle and effective way to support your skin's health from within, without the risk of irritation. Section 6. Digestive health aiding digestion with lemon water. Some people find that drinking lemon water can aid digestion and relieve digestive discomfort. The citric acid in lemons may stimulate the production of stomach acid, which is essential for breaking down food. Additionally, lemon water can act as a gentle diuretic, promoting the production of urine and potentially relieving bloating and constipation. However, more research is needed to confirm these effects. If you experience persistent digestive issues, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions. While lemon water may offer some relief, it's not a substitute for proper medical care. Section 7. Kidney health supporting kidney function. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining healthy kidneys, and lemon water can contribute to your daily fluid intake. Kidneys act as filters, removing waste products from your blood and producing urine. Adequate hydration helps your kidneys function efficiently, flushing out waste and preventing the formation of kidney stones. While lemon water alone won't prevent or treat kidney stones, it can support overall kidney health by promoting hydration. Section 8. pH balance. The myth and reality. There's a common misconception that lemon water alkalizes the body, meaning it reduces acidity. However, this claim is not supported by scientific evidence. While lemons are acidic before consumption, they have an alkalizing effect once metabolized by the body. However, this effect is minimal and unlikely to significantly alter your body's pH balance. Your body tightly regulates its pH level, and foods and drinks have a limited impact on this balance. While generally safe for consumption, there are a few precautions to consider when drinking lemon water. The citric acid in lemons can erode tooth enamel over time, increasing the risk of cavities and tooth sensitivity. To minimize this risk, drink lemon water through a straw, rinse your mouth with plain water after consuming it, and wait at least 30 minutes before brushing your teeth. Additionally, if you have a history of heartburn or GERD, the acidity of lemon water may worsen your symptoms. It's always a good idea to start with small amounts and monitor your body's response. If you experience any adverse effects, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Section 10. Incorporating lemon water. Tips for daily consumption. Incorporating lemon water into your daily routine is simple and refreshing. Start your day with a glass of warm or room temperature lemon water upon waking. This can help rehydrate your body after sleep and kickstart your metabolism. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day and add a few lemon slices to your water for a refreshing boost of flavor. Experiment with different temperatures and concentrations to find what you enjoy most. You can also add other ingredients to your lemon water to enhance its flavor and nutritional value. Try adding a few slices of cucumber, ginger, mint leaves, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Section 11. Conclusion. Embrace the refreshing potential of lemon water. Lemon water is a simple yet refreshing beverage that can offer a range of potential health benefits. From promoting hydration and providing a dose of vitamin C to potentially aiding digestion and supporting skin health, lemon water can be a positive addition to a healthy lifestyle. While not a magical cure-all, incorporating lemon water into your daily routine can be a refreshing and enjoyable way to support your overall well-being. Remember to drink it in moderation, care for your teeth, and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns.